Hello, my name is Paul Forbes, President, Countryside Gazebos Canada, a company that specializes in quality gazebos located just north of Toronto in the Newmarket area. This is one of the gazebos we're very proud of. We're presently in Peterborough with Gertzma Homes, a gazebo that was built down near the pond. You'll see the fountain and so on. This particular one is a spacious 14 by 24 foot oval gazebo clad in vinyl, white vinyl. You'll notice it has the double roof and the cupola for ventilation and for appearance, of course. We have a ramp leading up so it's easy for everybody to get in and out. And you'll notice some of the features. We have the straight railing. Because of the height at the back, we made them extra tall so they'd be 42 inches to the top. We have the straight rail on the top and the half moon brace. Now as we walk around, very well built on a concrete base raised off the ground. And then of course when we look around the back, you'll see how wonderfully supported it is by an armor stone wall underneath. So this is a top-notch construction firm that does everything right when they build it. And the installation of the gazebo was done by the trained crews at Countryside Gazebos Canada. Isn't that an amazing look? You'll see the electricals in there. They even light this up at night so people walking the trails can stop in and enjoy it. We have 3 benches in each end so people can sit and enjoy as well. They could bring their own furniture or tables down if there was a gathering from the subdivision. You'll see if you look over here some people walking the trails right now, some of the new tenants. Some of these units are just being finished and then finally everything will be tidied up. So this is a gorgeous gazebo, looks outstanding from down below as well as up here, very tidy. The great thing about vinyl is it's maintenance free. So the most you'll have to do to this gazebo in the next 30 years is take a wet rag to take the dust off. There's a lot of dust today because they're still under construction, finishing off these last few properties. Maybe we'll take a look inside and show you how wonderful it looks. Now as we go inside, you'll notice the benches at the end. And of course it looks so wonderful. There's no exposed wood. There's nothing here that can rot. There's nothing here that can rust. Every fastener used in this gazebo is stainless steel. You'll notice in the floor, you'll see the pattern of screw holes there. They're not only stainless steel, they're also color coordinated, in this case to match with the gray color, the Cape Cod gray in the composite flooring. This composite flooring is not hollow. It is solid all the way through. And on top of that, besides being the solid, it is color fast all the way through. So if there should be a chip or scratch, it's still going to look fine. As you look up into the ceiling of this, you'll notice there's a liner in the ceiling all the way around, so we don't have a problem with birds getting in. That's always a concern. You'll notice the double roof up here, and they've put some lights in. There's a little bit of dust that's got up in the rafters because of the busyness of the construction site. So people can come here anytime during the day and into the evening and have the opportunity to enjoy the evenings. Apparently with the lights on it, that looks very nice. Some of the neighbors here had offered to send us pictures so we could see that. So from the subdivision, people will be able to come down a path that leads in here. There's a path leading down to the water, and it gives them an opportunity to come up here and just have a rest when they're out for a hike. Anyway, when we build one of these gazebos, a couple of features that are really important. First of all, the vinyl is color fast. This stands up to the UV, does not end up with those awful spider web lines that you get in a cheap vinyl. Very important. This is in fact a wooden gazebo sleeved over with vinyl. The vinyl is about 1/8 of an inch thick. So if I were to hit that, you can see how firm that is, which vinyl wouldn't be. And you can't shake this gazebo. Very strong. The weight of this could be 4,800 pounds. Sleeved over inside here is a multi-laminated post and fully pressure treatment with the pressure treatment all the way through. The same for the floor joists under this floor. If you were to see underneath there, all the floor joists are made out of pressure treated southern pine with the pressure treatment all the way through. So we have no wood rot because of the pressure treatment process, no rust because of the stainless steel screws, and every hole that a screw goes into in this gazebo is pre-drilled. And that allows us to know that our engineered buildings are put up properly Every screw must be in to pass inspection when we're done. And with that, Simpson strong ties in the ceiling, specialty designed engineered brackets if we need them. So this is an engineered building. You can know that it's been approved by an Ontario engineer. Here's an example over here of an additional thing we do. As well as having stainless steel screws, we actually have these little white caps on them all the way around. So you have the advantage of covering that off so you don't get anything happening there either. So wonderful gazebo. The benches are anchored down as well so that they don't wander. A perfect thing to have in a subdivision. Very nice tenants in this particular area. So this should be here many, many years. No problems of cleaning. Just have a crew come by maybe once a month with a wet rag and clean it off. Anyway, Paul Forbes, Countryside Gazebos Canada. If this product's of interest to you or any of our broad range of gazebos, we have octagon, oval, rectangular, 12-sided, and then custom gazebos. We just finished building one in Hamilton, 124 feet long, a combination of pergola and gazebo, and everybody's so thrilled with it. You'll see it in one of our other videos. My name is Paul Forbes, President, Countryside Gazebos Canada. We're located in the Newmarket area, and you can find us on the web at agazebo.com. We look forward to your call. We have consultants on hand who know our gazebos inside out, and they would be more than glad to help you try and determine which gazebo would meet your needs the best. We look forward to talking to you. All the best. Bye for now.